How to cook manty, Central Asian amazing food. Step 1. You should make a dough. To make a dough, you need flour 500 grams, 300 milliliters of water, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You should mix everything and put on the floor and start to mix it. After finishing, leave for 30 minutes. For filling, you need 1 kilogram of onion, 1 kilogram of meat, and you should start to cut onion, as well as a meat. It should be not so big. You should cut to very small pieces, and cutting is better rather than putting in machine. One of the main ingredients is fatty tail. It should be 200 grams, and you should cut as well in very small pieces. Put salt on the onion and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything and mix it with a hand. Put meat with the fatty tail and mix again. Now we start to take our dough that we put it before and cut it. After, we start to roll it. And cut again. Now you make small pieces of dough and put your meat with the onion to your dough and make so beautiful design of manty. So you can see it's really beautiful and it's tasty. So for manty we need special kind of dish like that. So you should steam, and before you should put oil on it. Before, boil the water and put manty to boiled water. So you should close it and it should steam for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes it will be ready and you can start to eat it. Bon appetit!